Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see workbook filler for standard 8th subject Sanskrit. Chapter number 5 Silayah Pravasah. Now let us see all the exercise of workbook one by one. The very first exercise, for each of the given questions, choose the correct option and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First, blank Durbhasham Karoti. So the answer is C. Savita. C. Savita. Second, Sila Kashyah Putri Asti. So the answer is B. Savitayah. Savitayah. Third, Sila Kutra Asti. C. Pravasi. C. Pravasi. Fourth, Ajanta Gruhayam Sila Kashya Sundaram Shilpam Pashyati. So the answer is D. Bhagavata Buddhasya. D. Bhagavatah Buddhasya. फिफ्थ, शीला चतुर्मुखस्य हरिणस्य मनोहरं चित्रं कुत्र पश्यति. सो द आंसर इज बी. अजंता गुहायाम. अजंता गुहायाम. नाउ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 6. सविता भ्रमणभाषस्य आरंभे किं वदति. सो द आंसर इज सी. हरि ओम. सी. हरि ओम. 7 नंबर, शिक्षिका भ्रमणभाषं कुत्र प्रेषयति. सो द आंसर इज ए. शीलां प्रति. ए. शीलां प्रति. 8 नंबर, शीलायाः प्रवासः कथं प्रचलति. सी. सम्यकः. सम्यक्. 9 नंबर, ब्लैंक इज देयर ऑन द टू. डी. शीला. डी. शीला. 10 नंबर, द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द ब्लैंक caves has been given in the chapter शीलायाः प्रवासः. So the answer is C. अजंता. C. अजंता. 11 number, margdarshakah means blank. So the answer is D. Guide. D. Guide. Now exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words according to the chapter. First, आम अहम तया सह blank कर्तुम इच्छामि. So the answer is वार्तालापम. Second, अजंता गुहायाम अनेकानि blank अस्ति. So the answer is चित्राणि शिल्पानि. थर्ड, अजंता गुहायां ब्लैंक हरिणस्य चित्रम् अपि मनोहरम् अस्ति. सो द आंसर इज चतुर्मुखस्य. फोर्थ, मार्गदर्शकः बौद्धगुहायाः विषये ब्लैंक सह वार्तालापं करोति. सो द आंसर इज अस्माभिः. फिफ्थ, प्रवासे भवति यत् यत् ब्लैंक तत् सर्वं टिप्पणीपुस्तके लिखतु. सो द आंसर इज पश्यति. 6 नंबर, वयं शिरडीतः त्र्यम्बकेश्वरं ब्लैंक नासिकं गमिष्यामः. Trambakeshwaratah. So this is the answer. Now you can see here they have given a space. In that space we have copied down all the blanks as above. Third number, put right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. First, Savita भ्रमणभाषस्य प्रारम्भे नमस्कारः इति वदति. Wrong. सविता शीलायाः सखी अस्ति. Wrong. सविता शीलाया सह वार्तालापं कर्तुम् इच्छति. Right. Fourth, शिक्षिका सवितां प्रति भ्रमणभाषं प्रेषयति. Wrong. Now fifth, अजन्तायां चतुर्मुखस्य ब्रह्मदेवस्य चित्रम् अपि मनोहरम् अस्ति. Wrong. Now exercise number 4. This is the exercise number 4. Match the columns A and B correctly to make complete sentence. First, Amb katham asti, and from column B answer is Gha sarvam kushalam va. Second, Bhavatyah pravasah, from column B answer is A. Katham prachalati. Third, Padmapaneha chitram, from column B answer is D. Tatra asti va. Now exercise number 5. Pronounce the following Sanskrit words clearly and write their meanings into English. So the word Brahmanbhashah means mobile phone or cell phone. Second, Kinchita means any or some. Third, Preshyati means sends. Fourth, Samyaka means in a good way or well. Fifth, Prachalati means is going on. Sixth, Ajanta Gruhayam means in the Ajanta caves. 7. Chaturmukhasya means four-faced. 8. Padmapaneha means of Padmapani. 9. Bauddhagruhayah means the Buddha cave. 10. Trambakeshwaram means Trambakeshwar. 11. Tushneshwar तः means from Gushneshwar. And 12, Tippani Pustakam means a diary. Now exercise number 6. Turn the given sentence into interrogative according to the example. Here we can see the example. Sheila Ajanta Gruhayam Asti. So they have turned it into interrogative like Sheila Kutra Asti. First, Maheshah Udyane Asti. So the answer is Maheshah Kutra Asti. Second, Farida Vatikayam Asti. So the answer is Farida Kutra Asti. Third, Sunanda Shalayam Asti. So the answer is Sunanda Kutra Asti. Now same exercise number 6. In that second part, Narendrah Karyalayatah Gruham Gacchati. So the answers are like this. Narendrah Kutah Gruham Gacchati. Narendrah Karyalayatah Kutra Gacchati. Second, Vinayah Kridanganatah Vatikam Gacchati. Vinayah Kutah Vatikam Gacchati. Vinayah Kridanganatah Kutra Gacchati. Third, Alka Palanpuratah Gandhinagaram Gacchati. So the answer is Alka Kutah Gandhinagaram Gacchati. Second, Alka Palanpuratah Kutra Gacchati. Question number 7. Translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. First, Aarti goes to Rajkot from Jamnagar. So here writing mistake is there. Here instead of Junagadh we have to write down Jamnagar. Okay, so Aarti Jamnagartah Rajkotam Gacchati. Second, Harsha goes to Junagadh from Amreli. Again writing mistake. Harsha Amreli Tah Suratam Gacchati. Third, Mihir goes to Surat from Ahmedabad. Answer is Mihirah Ahmedabadtah Suratam Gacchati. Fourth, Kumar goes to Ahmedabad from Bhuj. So Kumarah Bhujatah Ahmedabad Gacchati. Fifth, Usha goes to Palanpur from Baroda. So the answer is Usha Vadodratah Palanpurah Gacchati. Question number 8. Make the sentences according to the given example. First, Vedantah Pustakam. So the answer is like this. Vedantasya Pustakam Asti. Second, Parthasya Kandukam Asti. Third, Kalpeshasya Lekani Asti. Fourth, Karnasya Kundalam Asti. Fifth, Nisargasya Gruham Asti. Question number 9. Where had Sheila gone for her trip? So the answer is Sheila had gone to Ajanta, Kushneshwar, Shirdi, etc. for her school trip. Next. Second, with which instrument does Savita talk with Sheila? So the answer is Savita talks with Sheila with mobile phone. Third, when does Savita say Hari Om? So the answer is Savita says hello when she calls Sheila's teacher. Fourth, he also tells the history of Ajanta caves. Who is he in the given sentence? So the answer is guide. Next, question 5. To which place will Sheila visit after visiting Ajanta? So the answer is Sheila will visit from Ajanta to Gushneshwar, from Gushneshwar to Shirdi, from Shirdi to Trambakeshwar, and from Trambakeshwar to Nasik. Sixth number, travel is a part of what? So the answer is travel is a part of education. Question number 10. Answer each of the following questions in one sentence in Sanskrit. So the first, Sheila Kutra Gacchati? So the answer is Sheila Pravase Gacchati. Second, Sheila Kim Pashyati? So the answer is Sheila Ajanta Gruhayam Bhagavad Buddhasya Sundaram Shilpam Chaturmukhasya Harinasya Manoharam Chitram Anyani Bahuni Sundarani Chitrani Cha Pashyati. Third, Savita Shikshikaya Kim Kathayati? So the answer is Savita Shikshikaya Kathayati Aham Sheelaya Mata Vadami Pravase Mama Putri Asti. Fourth, शिक्षणे प्रवासस्य किं स्थानम् अस्ति? सो द आन्सर् इस् प्रवासः शिक्षणस्य एव भागः अस्ति. फिफ्त्, तेषां स्थानानां कानिचित् छायाचित्राणि आनयतु. इदं वाक्यं का वदति? सो द आन्सर् इस् तेषां स्थानानां कानिचित् छायाचित्राणि आनयतु इदं वाक्य सविता वदति. Question number 11. Rewrite the following sentences, arranging them as per the event's order. So the answers are like this. Third will be first, second will be second, and first will be last. C. पद्मपाणेः चित्रं तत्र अस्ति वा? सेकेण्ड्, आम् अस्ति, अस्माभिः सह मार्गदर्शकः अपि अस्ति. एण्ड् थर्ड, सः किं कथयति? 12 number. Translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. First, my daughter is there on the tour. So the answer is Pravasi mama putri asti. Second, mother, how are you? Is everything alright? So the answer is Amba katham asti sarvam kushalam va. Third, there are many pictures and sculptures here. So the answer is Atra anikani chitrani shilpani cha santi. Fourth, there is a guide also with us. So the answer is Asmabhih sah margdarshakah api asti. Fifth, where will your tour go from Ajanta? So the answer is Ajanta tah pravashah kutra gamishyati. 13 number. Translate the following passage into English. So the translation is like this. Savita holding and switching on the cell phone. Hello. Teacher says, hello. Who is speaking? Savita says, I am Sheila's mother speaking. My daughter is there on the trip. Journey. Teacher says, yes, she is there. Is there any work? Second paragraph is like this. Translation. Sheila, the sculpture of Lord Buddha is beautiful. And secondly, the painting of the four-faced deer is also beautiful there. There are many beautiful pictures here also. Savita says, is the painting of Padmapani, Lord Vishnu there? So dear students, here our workbook fill-up for chapter number 5, Silayah Pravas is over. You may copy down all the exercise in your workbook. Thank you.